It is the hardest. I mean, you can see the impact of the military occupation. You can see the impact of economic occupation. You can see that of political, of cultural. But the hardest core, which is the core, is occupation at the knowledge level.
It's particularly wonderful to come to Habib University and to see such a wonderful combination of vision and ambition.
It's a huge, huge honor for me to be here speaking with you tonight. And I think the whole world is watching you as you transform learning in Pakistan and beyond.
Habib University is a beautiful idea, an institution that is really trying to bring together men and women, people from conservative religious families with much more liberal ones, people from different religions, people with different political beliefs. And when Pakistan shows that that can be done, there will be many other countries around the world that can be inspired to make it happen.
We make God a mirror, reflecting back to us our own virtues and our vices, our own strengths and weaknesses.
They have solutions, and we know the solution. The solutions are feasible and they're in hand. But it's not enough to just have academic knowledge of what to do. Somebody has to take that knowledge and work with it.
British case, there was a kind of a bit of a contempt about their priests trying to Christianize, because they were seen to be interfering with a modernizing process.